Namo Buddhaya everyone, and welcome to your own channel. Now, actually I am traveling. Now I am traveling towards Meet College, and I'm going to meet the principal and to get a. I'm going to meet the honorable principal sir, so that hundreds and hundreds of students, those who are addicted to something and something. I don't want to reveal that. When I say addiction, everyone is addicted to so and so. Some people will say that you too are addicted to the Buddha or the Buddha's teaching, right? But it's not like that. See, some are the good addiction. You know, if you are studying well, if you have all the good habit, that is a good one. But the students, mostly in this age, this young age, what they are suffering from is like mobile addiction. First of all, the mobile addiction, and now the contradiction is that even I'm talking about the mobile addiction through the mobile only, and I too am using the mobile phone, right? But definitely because I'm using it for the good purpose, there is some sort of spirit in me which keeps me going. There are other, like in this age, in this young age, few of them are like inclined or gravitated towards the opposite gender, and they are quite disturbed because of that reason. So I am here now, and I'm trying to make I'm trying to reach each and every school, so that school, colleges, and all those public gathering places, so that I can make everyone understand what is discipline, what is like what is the importance of getting away from the addiction, right? Because if they will be entangled within those addiction, I think they won't be able to achieve the impossible. So if someone is trying to achieve the impossible, they have to go through some sort of discipline. Otherwise it is a little bit tough. So now, because I don't have a bike, I have borrowed one of my relative bikes. That is why without bike I am just traveling, and there is no editing. I'm not using any editing software. I'm just making it solely on my own, and you can see my long pauses and all. So like I got a permission from Mithila Montessori right now. I got permission from Monastic, which is also one of the leader in education at Janakpur Dham. One of the great renowned and the prestigious college of Janakpur Dham is Model Multiple. I got permission from there as well, and now I'm going towards Meet College, Mithila Institute of Technology. So I'm sure that I'm going to get the permission, because when you are on the good purpose, I think everyone will help you, and that is how I thought that how to utilize this walking time. So to utilize this walking time, I started my video and started sharing all my there is Satyam International Academy now. Oh yeah, this is the school. Wow, I got one school. Oh yeah, see here, Satyam. I will go in this school as well, and I will request just to give me classes or lecture, so that maybe not everyone, even 2 or 3 of the kind sentient being will come out of this misery. I think my purpose is served, because even that 2-3 will create the chain reaction in nuclear fusion and fission reaction. In nuclear fusion and fission reaction, there is something called a chain reaction. So let's create that chain reaction, and I think in this path Buddha's blessing is with me, and that is what is keeping me alive and my motivation to keep going. So that is what, and as you can see here, this is so I am here at Malpot Karyalaya, and that is all in this video. Definitely after meeting what is going to happen, I will do let you know. Till then, Namo Buddhaya, keep smiling, keep shining, and stay happy always. Thank you everyone. Namo Buddhaya. Namo Buddhaya.